Creating a flexible budget is a wonderful first step for evaluating an organization's financial performance, but it is just a first step. We want to now talk about how we can dig deeper and identify really what you might call actionable insights, or insights that are specific enough that managers know where to take action. The way that we're going to do this is by calculating a series of variances. Now, in accounting, when we talk about variances, what we're referring to are the isolated impact of various items on profit. If an item has a positive impact on profit, it's called a favorable variance. If it has a negative impact on profit, it's an unfavorable variance. Now, these don't necessarily mean that it's a good thing. A favorable variance may be because you purchased lower quality raw material, and so you didn't spend as much on it. But that may have a negative overall impact on profit. So just because something is favorable doesn't always mean that it was good from a strategic perspective. In these videos, we'll be calculating a lot of variances. And you'll see that these variances have a hierarchical nature to them, so that we start with a large variance, and then we can dig deeper to find out the various components that make up that large variance. So let's go ahead and start with calculating the static budget variance. Okay, the static budget variance is simply the difference between our actual profit and our budgeted profit. And since our actual profit is less than what was budgeted, overall we would say this is unfavorable. Now let's talk about this variance very briefly here. Is this variance helpful? Yes, it is a little bit. Okay, it quantifies by how much our actual profit is less than what we had planned on. But it doesn't really give us any more insight beyond that about what we can do as managers to improve our financial performance. So this is the static budget variance. It's the highest level variance. And we're going to go ahead and just cut and paste this information over to the side. And after this, we're going to start digging deeper into level 2 and level 3, you might say, to find out what makes up this difference between our budgeted profit and our actual profit.